What makes a planet a place where life can thrive? Could we, one day, turn a lifeless, frozen world into a second Earth? These questions lie at the heart of humanity's search for life beyond Earth, and our dreams of colonizing other planets. Welcome to Knowledge Hub, where today, we explore what it takes to make a planet habitable and how we could transform an alien world into a thriving home for future generations. To make a planet habitable, we need to recreate conditions that support life as we know it. That means liquid water must be present. The planet needs a stable atmosphere to regulate temperature. Temperatures should be neither too hot nor too cold, staying within the Goldilocks zone. The planet needs protection from radiation, like Earth's magnetic field and ozone layer. These requirements sound simple, but recreating them on another planet presents enormous challenges. Scientists believe that Mars is the best candidate for terraforming, transforming it into a habitable world. Its soil contains frozen water, and its day is similar in length to Earth's. But Mars lacks a thick atmosphere and a strong magnetic field, making it too cold and exposed to harmful solar radiation. Other targets include Venus, which has a dense toxic atmosphere, and exoplanets in distant star systems. But for now, let's focus on Mars, and explore how we could make it suitable for life. The first step to making a planet habitable is to thicken the atmosphere. On Mars, we would need to pump carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases into the atmosphere to trap heat and warm the planet. This process is similar to what happens on Earth with global warming. But on Mars, we'd want that warming effect. We could use giant factories powered by solar energy to release gases, or even trigger volcanic activity to release trapped carbon dioxide from beneath the surface. Over time, this could create a greenhouse effect that raises temperatures and allows liquid water to exist on the surface. Step 2. Introducing water. Water is the key ingredient for life. Mars has frozen water at its poles, which could be melted as the planet warms. We could also import water by redirecting comets or asteroids to crash into the surface. Another idea is to build underground reservoirs, which would store water and protect it from freezing or evaporating in Mars's thin atmosphere. With enough liquid water, rivers, lakes, and even small oceans could form, providing habitats for future life. Step 3. Creating a magnetic shield. One of the biggest challenges in making a planet habitable is radiation from the sun. Mars lacks a magnetic field, leaving it exposed to solar winds that strip away the atmosphere. Scientists have proposed deploying a giant magnetic shield in space between Mars and the sun. This shield would create an artificial magnetic field, protecting the planet's atmosphere from being blown away and allowing life to thrive. Step 4. Planting life. Once the atmosphere and water cycle are stable, it's time to introduce life. We could start with microorganisms like algae and bacteria that produce oxygen. Over time, these organisms could convert carbon dioxide into breathable oxygen, slowly transforming the Martian atmosphere. Eventually, we could introduce plants to stabilize the soil and create a self-sustaining ecosystem. This process, called ecopoiesis, is how we turn a lifeless world into a living, breathing environment. Step 5. Human settlements. Once the planet is habitable, human colonies can be built. Future settlers might live in domed cities while the atmosphere develops or venture out to explore the surface as breathable air becomes available. With advanced technologies like three-dimensional printing and fusion energy, humans could create a thriving civilization on another world. But this process will take hundreds, if not thousands of years. The challenges are immense, but the rewards are even greater, offering humanity a second home among the stars. Turning a barren planet into a thriving world is one of humanity's greatest dreams. The road will be long and filled with challenges, but the possibility of making a planet habitable offers hope and inspiration for the future. One day we might walk beneath alien skies and swim in oceans on distant worlds. Thank you for joining us on this journey to the frontiers of planetary engineering. If you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating space content from Knowledge Hub. Until next time, stay curious and keep dreaming of new worlds.